Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you creation of layers with the help of menu. Okay, the people who are not subscribed my channel, if you like the video you can go hit the like button and subscribe my channels and turn on the bell button to get instant notification. Okay, let us go through the video section how we are making the layer menu load file. Here I already created a notepad file and I changed the extension to .menu. It is for menu function, and here you can see some commands and other things. The first two row it will be typical, and then we need to go like tab, enter and tab. So each tab space is defining the hierarchy level. Also you can see some symbol like one dash and arrow. It is for going to the drop down to the right side. So it will show the levels, and it is coming back and again it's going back. Then again we are starting another level for delete layer. So it will be formatted something like this. Now we will see how we'll load this into the Autocad. For that you can open the Autocad. Once you open the Autocad, here you can see we have two menus, like one is classical and another one the expressed one. You can use menu load, and here you can just load your menu load file. If somebody having problem with the menu bar, there is no classical menu bar, then you can type the command menu bar and put 1, then that menu bar classical window will be loaded. So once the classical window is loaded, you can see that last menu is express menu. Now we'll use menu load command and browse and find the file, menu file what you created, and then we'll click load. Then the menu file will be loaded into our drawing. Now we will see how this function will work. For that, what you can do, you can just check the layer. The default layer will be always 0. Then you can generate layer, click text. Instantly you can see there is a layer created named text. If you want to see the more detail, you can put again layer command, see it is color is white. Then again click create dim, so the dim layer is created and it is setting as the current layer as well. And the line thickness I given 135, so it is visible over there. Now we'll create hatch layer with the color 8 continuous, and the thickness is 0.09. So the different thickness also it will take. Now we will give object 1, see object 1 created and the color is 8. And if you want different color for the object layer, again we made a code to change the color. So there the color is changed 25525. Now we will see about the delete function. We can go to the delete layer and click text, so the text layer will be deleted. Also you can select anything else like dim, whatever it is, so it will be deleted. Hatch, it is deleted. And here object 2, when I select, it is not deleting. It may be the reason it is not a current layer. We will change it to 0 as a current layer. Again try delete. I think there is something problem with the code, so we need to go back and check the code and modify it. Okay, we will close this one and we'll go to the code. Okay, in the code it is noticed after the object we need to keep double semicolon. The semicolon means it's enter. So once you save, again you need to load this new file. We'll go back and load the new file. I hope everyone liked this video. If anyone has any doubts or clarification, just comment in the comment box. Please wait for new video, it will be uploaded soon. Thanks for watching. If anyone forgot to subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and enable the bell icon.